Kung kayo po lamang ang magsusunod, bagamat ito po ay desisyon ng mga kagalang-galang na mga senador, kung gusto po ninyo, kung kayo masusunod po, gusto ho ninyo pagkatanggap nila, 1 linggo, magsimula na kagad ang trial?
Ako kasi, Manong Ted, ever since ang position ko is not to delay this constitutional process because whether we like it or not, yun bang interest ng public is likewise at stake, no? And if the interest of the public is there, dapat mabilis ang aksyon ng ating gobyerno. And same is true with respect to these issues of impeachment. Itong mga ganito na nakakaapekto somehow sa stability ng administration, sa public interest, hindi dapat ito naaantala. So if there are no more legal predicaments surrounding the trial, I think the senators should proceed right away to hearing this, to the trial of this impeachment case.
Okay. Does it follow, ma'am, after po ng pagbubutuhan dito po sa articles na ito, and looking forward po na you will have more than the required number of votes, agad na pong maghahalal ng set of prosecutors?
With what I observed last time during the 19th Congress, parang sinunod na kaagad yan ng plenary. That upon voting on the plenary as to whether it will be transmitted or not, sinunod agad nila yung election ng panel of prosecutors.
Dito ho ba requirement talaga dapat abogado?
Actually, the rule is silent whether a bar member or not, no? But since, of course, we know that this is a trial, I think the consideration of the House members is to consider those who are lawyers.
Are you
But there is no prohibition actually to non-lawyers if you will examine the rules.
Yes, ma'am. Yung nga po, kaya nga ako nagtanong nito na obligado ba ng mga abogado lahat ito? Ano po, ang inyo pong ihahalal. But again, yan po decision nga ng plenaryo. Are you allowed to hire private prosecutors?
Well, the rule is silent, but we've seen this in the past impeachment processes, Manong Ted, no? That the public prosecutors, yun yung mga House members, are supported or assisted by private prosecutors. Wala din namang prohibition na nakalagay sa rules. As a matter of fact, the rule is silent with regards to the private prosecutors. But this is very understandable, Manong Ted, because itong House members, we are not litigation lawyers, no? So we really need the assistance of private lawyers to help us in the prosecution of this impeachment case.
Opo, but it will depend on the Senate rules to allow private prosecutors to talk, to speak, or even cross-examine any witness.
Yes. The participation of the private prosecutors will be subject to the regulation of the impeachment court.
Mga kapatid, para sa iba pang mga balita at impormasyon, sundan niyo po kami sa X, Instagram, Facebook at syempre sa TikTok, True Network PH. Mag-subscribe din po kayo sa aming YouTube channel, True Network. May website din po tayo, truenetwork.ph. At pwede nyo rin po kaming mapanood sa Channel 19 ng aming True FM TV. Lagi pa rin makinig sa radyo dito po sa 105.9 True FM dahil dito, laging true sa'yo, kapatid.
Dito tayo sa totoo, tunay at tapat.